Step 1 is to chill everything. Keep the whipping cream refrigerated. Now we are ready to make ice cream. Pour the cream into the chilled bowl. Beat on medium speed for 1 minute. Increase to high speed. Whip until stiff peaks form. Do not over-whip. Now, let's make the vanilla mixture. Combine the sweetened condensed milk and vanilla. Add a pinch of salt. Mix until smooth. Add 1/3 of the whipped cream to the condensed milk mixture. Gently fold. Add the remaining whipped cream in 2 batches. Fold carefully to keep the mixture light and airy. Pour the mixture into a freezer-safe container. Smooth the top with a spatula. Cover with plastic wrap touching the surface. Then, close with the lid. Freeze until solid. Freeze for 6 to 8 hours or overnight until firm. Let the ice cream sit at room temperature for 5 minutes before scooping. Scoop and enjoy!